Hi, my name is Omar, and I was involved in a construction accident. I was recommended through a friend of mine to Samer Habbas. I did not consider any other lawyers. I chose Samer because they were very communicative and very responsive to every time I called them. They helped me heal and recover by getting me to the right doctors and the right places to be at. Yeah, I'd like to thank Samer Habbas. She was very helpful and very communicative. I was very excited when my case was resolved. Get Samer on your side.